Grade 10s, let us look at this analytical question. So there is the instruction which is given to us, and I want to zoom in on that instruction. And then we have a list of questions that we have on our bottom right hand side where the answers must be filled in. And then you have a floor plan and an elevation on top here. This elevation shows this side of the house. And how do we know that? We can see the garage links up here, the window links up there, the front door links up there, as well as the window which links up there. Alright, so let's zoom in so that we can go through the 11 questions that we have. So if you are currently sitting with this page, you will have to fill in all the answers as we make our way through the 11 questions. Question number 1, what does the abbreviation NGL stand for? And that would be natural ground level. If you look at number 2, what is the wall finish of the outside walls on this house? And if we scroll to that point there, you will find that it is plaster and paint. And that is normally what is on the walls right around. And in this case, plaster and paint, which you will write in here. Question number 3, what is the correct name for the view at A? So here is a label view A, but we need to replace it with the correct name of this particular view. And for that, you will have to use your north direction symbol. So if I take my north direction and I place it right in the middle here, to this side of my wall would be my north elevation, because my point of my arrow points to this wall over here. Opposite to that would be my south elevation, which I have here, which is going to be this view that we see here. This view at A can be replaced as south elevation. And then of course we have our west elevation on my left hand side here, and we have our east elevation on this side here. So if you look at number 3, view A will be replaced with the proper name, which is your south elevation, which you are going to write in here. Number 4, in which direction does the garage window face? So we're going to our floor plan again, and you will find, based on what we just explained now, that is your north, this is your south, that's your west. So your answer would be these windows over here, which would be your east elevation on your eastern side. So that east can be filled in here. Number 5, what is the floor finish in the bedroom? So if you look at the bedroom here, there's your bedroom. Carpet is the floor finish in the bedroom. So carpet you are going to fill in here. Number 6, identify one deliberate design error in the bathroom. So if we go and examine the bathroom, you will find in all other room designations we have doors and windows besides in the bathroom. So the deliberate error that the draftsman made here is to include a window for ventilation purposes. Number 7, identify the deliberate error with the plan view of the front door. So if you look at the front door, you will find that there is a door in fact, but unfortunately the swing of the door has been omitted. So the swing of the door is your answer at number 7. Number 8, what is the purpose of the arrow in the bathroom? So if you look at the arrow, we know that that symbol there indicates a sliding door. So the arrow indicates the direction of opening of the sliding door. So direction of opening would be number 8. Number 9, what does the abbreviation BIC stand for? You will find it in the bedroom here. That would be built-in cupboards. It's also indicated by the diagonal lines. Built-in cupboards. Number 10, this is a mathematical question. Determine the inside floor area of the kitchen in square meters. Show all calculations. So you're going to go to your kitchen here. You're going to find that the length of your kitchen here, according to this dimension, is 4,000, which basically in meters would be 4 meters. And this is 3,500, which would be in meters 3.5 meters. So if you want to determine the area of this kitchen, area calculation And formula is length times breadth. So 4 meters times 3.5, and that is going to give you 14 square meters, which you are going to write in here. Please make sure that you do the calculation with the answer, and your answer will have a unit of square meters. Then number 11, determine the perimeter of the house and garage in meters. So all calculations. So if you look at the entire house, including the garage, you are going to find that the length of the house, including the garage, should be 11,500, which relates to 11.5 meters. And the width is 8,000, which relates to 8 meters. You will have to add 2 11.5s and 2 8s to be able to determine the perimeter. And that answer is going to be 39 meters. And learners, that concludes basically our analytical question. I hope you have filled in all the answers as we've gone through this activity.